Hi, it's Vaughn at Spirit of Health, and we are going to talk about minerals today. Minerals is something that's been just big for me for 10 plus years of doing this. We are dust of the earth. Genesis 2:7, the Lord God formed man out of dust of the earth. We need minerals. Our body doesn't really work without minerals. So we've seen minerals change a lot of people's lives. So I'm just going to share some of my favorites for y'all to check out and to try. You've heard me talk about magnesium over the years. Magnesium oil foot soaks. The magnesium chloride, this is by Health and Wisdom. I think this is the best way to get magnesium into your body. So please try the foot soaks if you haven't, especially before bed. Calms and relaxes the nervous system, really helps with sleep, and replenishes magnesium that's known to do over 400 functions in the human body. Calm, we're staying with magnesium. Body health, calm. Powdered magnesium, again, great to take before bed. Calms and relaxes the nervous system. The oil is going to be the best topically and to get in your body and regenerate magnesium the best. But this is good too. This actually helps move the bowels as well. So if people are struggling with constipation, it's a great 1-2 punch where you can get some extra magnesium and also help kind of move the bowels a little bit. Great to take before bed. Electrolytes in general are just important. So I love the perfect amino electrolytes. Magnesium is like the main electrolyte deficiency people have, but the perfect amino electrolytes I think is the best overall mineral supplement as far as electrolytes. It's by Body Health. Has the perfect ratio of electrolyte minerals, but also has the perfect aminos, which are the essential amino acids that everybody needs to build protein and build muscle. So I love the perfect amino electrolytes for your electrolytes. All right, moving on here. Plant minerals, inner vitality. I've promoted this for years. This is all your plant minerals, your trace minerals. It's an electrical charge. It's going to turn everything on at the cellular level. It helps with body detox. The fulvic and humic minerals are super popular in health today. So the Morningstar Inner Vitality, something I've been recommending for years. You can take that every day to get all your trace minerals. And let's dive in real quick to fulvic and humics. Mother Earth Labs have a fulvic and humic. See, I'm talking so fast. Fulvic and humic SC, super concentrated. So this is a great every day to get your plant minerals, the fulvics, the humics, to clean out in gut, bind toxins in the bowels, to get systemically into the blood. That's what the fulvic minerals do, to charge the cells, to bind and remove toxins. These are great. So the fulvic 400X is a very strong fulvic, great for kidney function, great for brain detox, great at the cellular level for binding toxins. It's going to get through the gut into the rest of the body. So that's the fulvic 400X. And actually the strongest one is CT minerals. I don't have time to explain it in this video, but energy potential. When it hits your body and the potential for energy that it has to get into the cells, to get into the organs, to actually have an effect at the cellular level as far as the charge is concerned, the CT mineral is hands down the strongest. It's by Cellcore Biosciences. Why? They have scientists that are brilliant. They have laboratories. They study this stuff in the laboratory. They've compared their products to other products, and it really is superior as far as the fulvic and electrical potential. So this is the best one, the CT minerals. Iodine, super important for like every function in the body. Main deficiency after magnesium. So Cellcore, CT iodine, great for thyroid, metabolism, overall health and protection from environmental issues. And oh, I forgot trace minerals packets for electrolytes. If you just want a packet you can grab, throw in water and drink. I'm going to end with the CD kit because this is actually a mineral, chlorine dioxide, super big in health today if you've been paying attention. Remember I did the video about it works? Well, it works for any kind of infectious candida, yeast, fungus, clostridia. It got popular because it knocks out malaria, it knocks out the vid, it knocks out like all kinds of stuff, of bad stuff. So you want to heal your body and knock out infectious issues or prevent issues for the future. Chlorine dioxide, it's literally a simple mineral supplement, but it's so powerful for overall immune health. We give it to our kids. I've given it to hundreds of people. I have lots of testimonials. I had to end with the chlorine dioxide because it's so powerful. So please, everybody, take your minerals. They're crucially important to how God formed your body to function. God bless you.